This game is Rick Dangerous by Core Design, who went on to create Tomb Raider games. Today I challenge Ito to play this game and get as far as I say. And I'm going to start playing it now. Rick Dangerous crash lands his plane over the Amazon while searching for the lost Gulu tribe. But by a terrible twist of fate, he lands in the middle of a bunch of wild Gulus. Can Rick escape these angry Amazonian antagonists? This game is problematic as hell. A lot of people loved this game, and a lot of people hated it. Amiga Power famously gave it something like 19% out of 100, obviously, that's what percent means. In it, you're basically playing this guy called Rick Dangerous, who is Indiana Jones. Now, being that it's an Amiga game, you've only got one fire button, so if you press the fire button and hold the direction, yeah, left and right give you the stick, maybe a whip, I don't know. Up fires gun, down drops dynamite. And you have to press up to jump. There's no jump button. Exciting. Now, I've played this game to death. It came out in 1989, I believe. I think I had it on the Amstrad and the Amiga, and I played it to absolute death. So I know all the pitfalls, I know all the traps, and there are a lot of traps. This game basically could be summarised by saying, screw you, player. Up the top there, you can see I've got bombs, lives, and if I had any ammo left, I would also have ammo. There are these caches around. Now, see, I've got 6 bullets again. Don't need to kill everyone. Ooh, what's that over there? Yeah. Hit this bat with a stick. Fall down to the left, avoiding the spikes. Yeah, even the imagery of this game is bad. Yeah, it's really problematic. But yes, as I say, this is made by the same people who were on to make Tomb Raider. So you can see the sort of genesis of Tomb Raider in this. They also made a sequel which is set in space, sort of preempting Indiana Jones by about 30 years. The portcullis falls down. Just wait for it to go back up. This bit here is quite tricky because these guys only sometimes sync up. You can also do this. If you stand in the right place and fire your stick. Where is it? It's not. Yep. You'll get a trap firing that kills them as well, but the timing is really difficult, so I just shoot them. This game is all about repetition and muscle memory. There's absolutely no way to get through it without dying constantly if you don't know what you're doing. Up here, this is a place where, Ito, if you're watching this, if you get to here, I'll consider the challenge done. Anything beyond this is a bonus. Because even I struggle to remember what's beyond here. Ammo again. Oh crap. I get him. Yeah, I can get him to fall down. Probably get him to stand on the spikes. And his friend comes down. So these guys basically follow your position. So it's easy to trick them into walking onto spikes and stuff. Where does this guy fire? His face on the left should fire. Yeah. Still don't have any ammo, this isn't good. If I move to the right, he's going to drop down on me. Like that. Drop fire. Could trick all the rest of these guys again to fall onto the spikes. This game would really benefit with having a separate button for jumping and attack. There's also crouch by pressing down. The joys of old home computers. A joystick port that only had like 9 pins. I did the exact same thing again. They had 9 pins, but most of them weren't actually used for compatibility's sake. Indeed. I don't think on the Amstrad, the 8-bit version, I believe the first level ended a while ago. So I've never actually gotten past the first level on this, the 16-bit Amiga version. Right, he drops down. How do I kill him? Trick. Where are you going? Ah, I see. Okay, let him. What's he going to do? Okay, so there's these hidden wall sections you can climb on. You can just barely make them out. I don't trust this at all. I simply don't trust that face in the wall at all. We're now beyond where my muscle memory remembers. Oh Lord, that was... I misjudged that. The reason why some people really hate this game is because of its reliance on memorization of where all the obstacles are, and the core gameplay loop is actually quite fun. It's just... and game over. So Ito, you have to get to the place that I mentioned in the video, and thank you very much. Goodbye.